Let's make the perfect watermelon, melon, mint and lime drink. It's delicious. Let's make watermelon juice. What you need is watermelon, a handful of fresh mint leaves, sorry I tripped that, and a couple of limes. So let's get this chopping and this drink ready. 4 or 5 cups. So just get your watermelon. Make sure you don't put the white part in, just the lovely red juicy watermelon. Let's get that chopped and chop. It's best to use watermelons without seeds or with as few seeds as possible. Trying to do. How have you all been? Hope you've all been well. I also have a recipe for mango lassi, which I'll link below. So you've got a couple of cool drink options for days when you're going to have a nice run and you want something cooling. There's also a cucumber and mint drink on my site, which I'll leave a link below that you can make. So see how quick. Chop this up, put it in, and here are 2 limes which we will just quickly squeeze. So 2 small limes, make sure you have the pips removed. Squeeze it in. Oh, it's nice and juicy. We're going to whiz it up. Now, if you want ice, put 4 or 5 cubes of ice if you have it. And I'm not going to have it. So this is a great drink for the summer. It's so good for you. Now, if you want, you can blitz this up, and after you've blitzed it up, sieve it through so it gives a smooth juice. I like it with the fibrous bit because it's good for you. It's all good for you. If you have an operation of any sort, watermelon is fantastic to get you those bowels moving. But for us, it's a good summer drink. So next goes in a handful of mint leaves. So much goodness in here. And that's it, we're done. This beautiful, healthy, nutritious lime, watermelon and mint drink is ready to be served. Remember to keep a couple of mint leaves so you can make it pretty and serve it up nicely. And that's it. Enjoy your drink.